up, guys? It's Japa Rico here, broadcasting live from Hong Kong. Let's start our live tonight. Let's take a look at the markets. Uh, what happened here was, let me go to our platform three, our platform Think or Swim. So there were four positions that unfortunately reached the stop loss. So those positions were Neo. I have two positions on Neo and two positions on Corsair. For those who don't know, Neo, it's an EV, electric vehicle manufacturer, and Corsair, they manufacture computer parts such as power supplies and cases, computer cases. Someone told me Corsair also produces memories, computer like memory cards. I don't know. I didn't know that. So what happened was that with Neo, guys, we bought 10 contracts and our stop loss was reached at $40.56. So let me type it for you. So here already calculated, what happened was that we got three positions. These two positions was, the first one on Neo, we lost $64.50. And then we lost $54.10 on Corsair. But we made, this was a plus, so we made $444 trading the USO. This is the oil fund. And which I taught you guys went back a few months ago when it was around $2 or $3. Let me show you. Let me show you guys so that you can have a better picture if I show it to you. So it was. Here's my TD Ameritrade account. So I bought 12 contracts of USO. I have 12 contracts at that moment. Before this was before they had a split. So before the split, it was on April the 20th. So I have 20. It was 100 contracts that later became 12, and I bought them at only $3.85. And then here I sold at $40.85. Okay, so this was back in April the 20th, and now I sold on March the 3rd. And a lot of people were asking me, or they were saying, "Oh, Japa," at that time, right? They were, "Oh, Japa, why are you buying oil? It's so cheap, and there is a lot of concern, and oil is going to be replaced by." Fuel in general, right? Oil is going to be replaced by electric vehicles and blah, blah, blah. And then at that moment I said, okay, you guys, you're right. I just show here what I trade. I'm not asking you to do the same, right? I never do. So this channel is never a recommendation of buying or selling anything. I always say it to you guys. And so last time it was on March the 20th and I purchased, okay? So I went long on oil. A lot of people were like discouraging and saying a lot of BS, but I didn't trust. Well, of course, I just follow PVS area. I just follow the charts, and I follow what was going on with the political, like if any political, like or any other issues in terms of fundamentals that were taking place at that time. And then I said to you guys, oh, because the future contracts, right? So there were future contracts that were expiring at that time, and then they were. So it was just the time when it was going to expire, actually. So the future contracts were going to expire, and because of that, and I have another video talking about it as well, that you guys can watch on my channel. So I was talking about the future contracts problem that were taking place, okay, in regards to the price of oil. And I said, oh, it was already very cheap. So at 85, sorry. So at 385 was already a very cheap price, and we placed the trade, and we only sold it at yesterday, no, 2 days ago, right? Actually, so 2 days ago we sold it at $40.85. So we made 444. Let me show you guys again. So we made $444 trading the USO. Okay, which is way more than the amount of money that we lost on those two positions. So I always say to you guys, what matters is after uh, after everything, right? That you the losses and the wins, you have to calculate everything, and then what matters is that. Uh, Along the time, okay, along the years, along the months, along the years that you have been trading the market, is that can you consistently make money or not, right? So the keyword here is to be consistent. Okay, a lot of people misunderstand. They think it's a lottery. Okay, they think it's a lottery that okay, I'm going to make like a $1 million and that's it. No, it's not lottery, right? So trading is all about consistency. So are you consistent or not? Okay, or are you consistently profitable or not? So that's what we have to think of, right? Every time when we trade, we have to think about how can reach consistency. How can I become a consistent trader, right? I can be a profitable trader along the years. So always think about years, okay? Don't think about like 2 days, one day, a few hours. No, we have to think about your development, your progression, your development as a trader, and being consistent. That's what I always say to people. There was a there is a recent one on Twitter that let me read this tweet. I thought it was very meaningful. It's a tweet by Anton Crail. He really understands the market. He used to work for Goldman Sachs. He's a professional trader, very different from. There are a lot of people that there are a lot of scammers out there. So but it's really we are really lucky that we are really lucky that we have people that we can rely on. One of them is Anton Crayo. He's really a professional trader. He was on this reality show called Million Dollar Traders, something like that. It was a reality show on in England, right? I think around 10 or 11 years ago. So and there was a tweet by Anton Crayo that he wrote, "We recently put a known trading education company out of business, another scalp. If only you knew what goes on behind the scenes and lengths they go to in order to maintain their mirage of BS," which is true. A lot of fake gurus. I see this all the time on my Portuguese channel. I have a Portuguese channel. In my Portuguese channel, I see this kind of fake gurus all the time. They come, especially if you VPS, if you use a VPS and you access it from a Brazilian IP, you see all these commercials, all these ads, especially on YouTube. Right? They put ads on YouTube, but they put ads everywhere on the Brazilian internet, and they claim that they are gurus and they were before they were poor, but then they made $1 million and they became rich by trading. You know what? Especially binary options. Like most of the time they're talking about binary options and they say, oh, I made $1 million trading binary options and blah, blah, blah. It's all BS. So don't believe in those people, right? Because first, they don't show you results. If they show you results, you mainly be on Instagram, okay? So they'll use Photoshop, they'll use any other, like Final Cut, Adobe Premiere, After Effects, like all sorts of edition software, pieces of software that they can get. They'll use a whole bunch of shit just to show off that they made $1 million, but it's all lies. So it's all, and Anton Crayo describes, it's all mirage, okay? So it's all mirage because it doesn't exist, it's not true. They were all edited, okay? They were all edited values, all edited performance, all edited results. Those results do not exist. Don't believe in those people. And then Anton Creel continues by writing, they have gone quietly, tail between their legs. We will take more scalps in 2021. So well, very well done, because we have to expose, guys. We have to expose these fake gurus. And all those, I wouldn't say all, but most of those Brazilian fake gurus, they never worked for a bank, right? They never they never worked for a bank, they never worked for a brokerage firm, they never worked in the financial industry ever. But then they claim that they can make millions by trading binary options. It's just not the reality. It's just not real. It's a whole bunch of BS. So don't believe in those people. Let's continue, guys. So take a look again at our TD Ameritrade account. So here I have BFRA. BFRA was triggered yesterday. It reached our entry price. Our EP was at $6.20, and we bought 10 contracts of BFRA. Okay, it's a biopharmaceutical company listed in the U.S. It's a company. It's a German. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's a German company. And we have another position on PRGO. This is a British firm. It wasn't triggered. This is a working order. It hasn't been triggered yet. And let's take a look at 4 positions that we have here for our stop loss and take profit on NUS. NUS is New Skin. So, oh, sorry, I was not showing it to you guys. So once again, I have this BFRA, so 10 contracts, and I have these 2 positions on Corsair that reached the stop loss, and 2 positions on NEO that also reached the stop loss. I have 1 position on PRGO. This is a PLC, it's a British company, and BFRA is a German company, it's a pharmaceutical German company. Let's take a look at NUS. NUS is New Skin. It's a cosmetics manufacturer. They operate under the business model of multi-level marketing. Let's take a look at New Skin. So here I have New Skin. As you can see, guys, New Skin, my entry price was $48.84. Right now the price, it closed last Thursday. It closed last Thursday, yesterday. It closed at $49.68. My first target is at 53.50, and my stop loss is at 41, is set at $41.85. Okay, so this has a lot of potential to reach, at least reach my first take profit. Let's take a look to see if we have any other. Oh yeah, we have someone here. So yeah, sorry that it's being late at night in the U.S. In the East Coast. I at least rise really late. Mush Jungle says, what strategy do you recommend? So I use PVSRA. PVSRA, you can find it's this is the symbol PVSRA. And PVSRA, there's a huge community you can find on forexfactory.com. There is also a website by the PVSRA International with Trader at Home. Let me I'm going to show it to you guys. So there is this website, guys, called PVSRA International with Trader at Home.com. You need to create an account to be able to read it. There's a lot of information, very useful information on this website. So just make sure that you follow the instructions, because the admin of this site is very strict. He may block you, he may ban you from using the website if you don't follow the instructions. So the first thing you should do once you create a new account is to introduce yourself. There is this thread called Registered Members Introductions. So you go here, you put a nice picture, a nice photo of yourself, and register yourself, put a nice picture, write a profile, and put your name, your state, your city, your state, and where you're from. and how many years of experience you've been trading, like how many years of experience you have trading the market, and what kind of products, what kind of instruments that you usually trade. Once you have access to this group, there is a download. Okay, you can't see now because I'm not logged in, but here there will be a download thread. You can just go to the download thread after, I think after 2 days after the admin has approved your account. You can go to the download thread and you can download the files. Those files are available for MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, so the thing is, if you don't use MetaTrader 4 mush, you can also use tradingview.com. Is a very good platform. And let me show you how you plot the PVSRA indicators there. So if you go to the TradingView, let me go to tradingview.com. So here, all you can do, I already have my PVSRA plotted here. So let me get rid of it first. So I got rid of this. Okay, let me also get rid of this. So once you have the chart like this, all you have to do, let me just change here to USD JPY, dollar yen pair is a forex pair. So once you're here, all you have to do is you click on indicators and you look for PVA. So the first two that you have here are the ones that I made. They're called, oh, you can see Japa Rico. So the first one is the PVA candle plus dragon, and the second one is the PVA volume. So you click on both of them, and then here you are. You have the volume bars plotted on the bottom. Those are the the PVA volume bars, and here on the chart itself, you have the PVSRA candles plotted. And you have the dragon, you have the dragon is this band, the 50 EMA band, this blue band. And these yellow dotted lines, they are the 200 EMA and the 233 EMA that we use in order to analyze PVSRA, okay? So that was the video for today, guys. I have to go soon. And I wish you guys a pleasant evening for those who are watching me in the US. For those here in Asia, I wish you guys a very good afternoon, and I will have lunch soon in a few minutes. So let me finish this live first and get ready for lunch. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks. Bye.